In the previous lecture, we created a view component. In this one, we'll be adding the data from a model class to our view component so that it is complete in itself. Over here, we are seeing the events section scroller, and here we have the title coming up. Now in our code view, the first thing that we need to do is create a data context. Over here you can see inside the models namespace we have this class called course. Similarly, we have created another one called course data context, and inside it we have a method called getTopCourse. Here we are creating a course and returning it. Next thing that we need to do is, once we have our data context, we need to register this data context in our startup.cs file. So here you can see I have added that data context now as add transient course DC configure services. Once that is done, you can come to the view component, and there you can see we have a read-only variable defined for it, and in the constructor we are passing an instance to it. There we are assigning it to the underscore courses variable. Once we have this instance available via the constructor, we go to our invoke method, and there we call this getTopCourse method using this instance, and whatever result comes up is then assigned to the variable course, and then we pass that to the view as a model. Now if I take you to the view, that is the default.cshtml, there you'll see we have this model coming up, and then we have the title of the course as part of the event title. So it says upcoming events of our institute, and then the title of the course is there. And if I show you the title over here, we have learning ASP.NET Core, and here we have the title. Now if I run this one, you can see we have the title coming up over here as learning ASP.NET Core. So this way we now have a full view component which has its own data context and its own HTML, and now we can make use of this view component anywhere in our application.